अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, दिस इज योर भाई जाहिद। सो गाइस, हमने सोचा ट्रैवल व्लॉग्स और सोशल इश्यूज के साथ साथ हम आपको कश्मीर के कुछ ऐसे पर्सनालिटी से मिलाएंगे जिससे आप मिलके इंस्पायर होंगे और आपको सीखने को कुछ मिलेगा। आज की इस वीडियो में आपको टाइटल देख के पता चला होगा कि हम आपको किससे मिलवाने जा रहे हैं और इस वीडियो में तहसीन भाई करने वाले इंटरव्यू। सो चलते हैं गाइस वीडियो की तरफ, लेट्स गो।
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. All my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So guys, here we are in the Flex and Fit gym. मैंने आपको कुछ clips भी दिखाई workout की. तो अख्तर भाई, thank you for joining us on our channel. Love Kashmiri. So guys, we're going to talk with Akhtar bhai. Let's start from the start.
Yes.
How did you got into this fitness industry?
Yeah. So actually, if I go, I'll think like right from my childhood when I was in school.
Okay sir.
I did my schooling from JN Porsche. तो वहाँ पे क्या होता था? We used to get up early in the morning. फिर हमें वहाँ पे ले जाते थे एक्सरसाइज कराने के लिए. So there I got into this that one should be physically fit.
Okay.
But that time I had no idea that I would be pursuing this as my career or I would make my living out of it. But that time it was just for a recreational purpose. Like I want to have a good body. But yes. So then I did my graduation in Bangalore. वहाँ पे थोड़ा exposure मिला मुझे because the time I used to be here there was very less exposure about bodybuilding, fitness or whatever. Gyms भी बहुत कम थे. तो एक बार जब मैं बैंगलोर चला गया तो वहाँ पे मेरे को एक्सपोजर मिला अच्छा कि मतलब जिम्स कैसे होते हैं. So then I got myself admitted in a gym. वहाँ के कोच अच्छे थे but not so good.
So how much benefit you got from Gold Gym? हमें आपको बताया कि आपने Gold Gym में
actual journey I would say that I started from Gold Gym only. Yeah, from 2012.
तो वहाँ से आपने मतलब
Yes, वहाँ से actually I started it as a professional. Okay. And before that I used to go to gym like as you see people who go, come the gym आप जीन्स पहन के आते हैं and they have no idea about their nutrition, everything. Okay, तो वो जाके कभी भी जिम जाते हैं, कुछ भी पहन के. So, but I used to do the same thing before 2012. Okay, when I got myself into Gold Gym, then I got to know actually how a professional should work out, how he should eat, and how he should train other people. Okay, so real journey started from 2012.
तो मतलब आपके पास एक ऑप्शन भी था, you could have become a good bodybuilder, you could have come into this thing, but आपने मतलब pursue किया training. Why is this?
See, this is the question, you know, I get asked a lot of by a lot of people, even on social media, even on, you know, in my real life as well. See, there are a lot of things to, you know, you need to be, you need to have a very good genetics first of all. See, I say that, see, every gym going person cannot become a bodybuilder. Okay, the thing is like, see, as they say कि जो Mr. Olympia होते हैं, ठीक है? So they are not actually built; they are born. Because they are born with such genes. Okay, I actually, you know, wanted to become a bodybuilder. Kind of, I say bodybuilder who will compete. Okay, but still I have that in my mind. Maybe I could do that in future. But what I found ki like my genetics are not, you know, for bodybuilding. You know, so मतलब जैसे you know I have been lifting from last 8-9 years. Okay. और दूसरा एक बंदा simple बंदा मेरे जैसा workout करे, he could actually get better results than me. So I found that, you know, I can become a good trainer. Because see, to become a good trainer, you don't need to have a 6-pack abs. You don't need to have 17-inch biceps. Okay, and you don't need 200 grams of protein to read a book.
Yes, that's
okay. So you can just have a simple diet, simple nutrition, and read a book and understand it. You don't need high quality protein and, you know, a lot of protein to understand something. So what I found is that I should actually go more into training, you know, about rather than just competing. And one more thing I would like everybody to tell that, see, if you are following anyone on Instagram or any social media, okay, then you will see the chisel physique, you know, big guys. That's actually not healthy. Let me tell you frankly, okay. You might yes, this is social taboo. Yes, few people, you know, they just get influenced by such people actually. See, competitive bodybuilding, you need to take drugs. That's for sure. Just tell me, there is no guy on earth who competes without taking steroids. Okay, you have to take drugs. If you will not take, you can never win. Even you can't even just dare to, you know, go on the stage and, you know, line up, you know, in front of guys who actually take it. So that's one more concern, because it's totally my choice. I want to take it, I don't want to take it. But without taking that, you can't become a professional bodybuilder. Professional in the sense who is competing. So that's why I chose this.
Let's leave aside the bodybuilding phase for some time.
Yes.
Let's come to simple fitness education.
Yes.
Question is, question is
Yes.
What do you think? मतलब इस question से physically active कि ना, मतलब health किस बात से?
नहीं, see, actually problem ये है कि जो हमारा lifestyle है कश्मीर का, ठीक है? So that's not so active, ठीक है? हमारे यहाँ जो है winters होते हैं mostly. Yeah. So 5-6 months we can't do any kind of outdoor game. नहीं होता है. So that is the root cause for most of the problems that we face. For example, cholesterol, you know, जितने भी issues होते हैं, lipid issues जो भी होते हैं, it is because of our sedentary lifestyle. ठीक है? और जैसे अगर हम देखेंगे जैसे, you know, some 50 years back, you know, अगर हम उस वो देखेंगे, people used to do, you know, physical work, not workout, but physical work. It was environmental. They used to do farming. Okay, but now that part is just, you know, out of our life. Yes. So we need to work out. We just, you know, do that thing which we have actually removed from our lives, from our lifestyle. Okay, we have to do that. That's why I believe that everyone should go of, you know, do any kind of physical workout. Not only gym. They can just play any kind of sport. Cycling, bicycling.
As you have very good knowledge about human fitness, human anatomy, तो आप मुझे बताएं कि जो हम डाइट खाते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल चावल नून चाय, चावल सब्जी, दाल बटर, ठीक है ना? तो कितनी कैलोरीज हम लेते हैं और उसके हिसाब से मतलब एक एवरेज पर्सन की बात करें, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू टॉक ऑफ अ टीचर, एक सिंपल सा टीचर है जो ये सब डाइट खाता है दिन भर, फिर दिन भर वो जाता है पढ़ाने के लिए, he doesn't do any physical thing. तो how मतलब ये उसकी बॉडी पे क्या इफेक्ट करता है?
See, it's actually a you know a deep question here. Okay, I cannot just answer in one simple thing. The thing is like the genetics plays a lot of role in this. For example, if you will see guys who have never been to gym, who don't eat protein but they're still good muscular.
Yes.
Okay, so the genetics plays very vital role in this. The genetics is very important. तो अभी जैसे मतलब हम देखते हैं, you know, forget about the genetic part. जो भी जहाँ पे मतलब जैसे हमारा diet है, I believe and I have seen most of the diet जो Asians खाते हैं, not only we Kashmiris, Asians, ठीक है? Carbohydrate is जो होता है वो staple होता है उसमें and maximum carb होता है, ठीक है? So I won't say कि carbohydrates are bad because in few countries they say carbs are bad, ठीक है? So that's kind of जो नई companies आई हैं नया चीज लेके, ठीक है? जैसे protein powder लेके आए, they say carb is bad, but carb is not bad, okay? The thing is like the choice you make to take a carbohydrate. For example, if you take glucose, okay, that's also a carb, okay? You will take oatmeal,
Okay.
that's a complex carb. So you have to prefer complex carb over the simple carb.
Carbs.
If you can actually include that in our diet, okay, I believe कि one would be healthy, okay, and the thing is like he doesn't have to worry about whether he should take some kind of protein or supplements, because when you are not going to gym, you don't have that kind of requirement. If you have a sedentary lifestyle, you don't need that much calories.
तो मतलब आपको लगता है कि मतलब कश्मीर में हम अच्छे प्रोटीन लेते हैं या अपनी डाइट में रेगुलर डाइट के बाद?
No. I don't think
complex carbs.
नहीं, हम जो कश्मीरी मैंने देखा youth में they take junk food, lot of junk food. I believe if you see 10 to 15 years back, less amount of people who go to colleges and school, you will see them with the tummies. Okay, and now up jao 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, you see a lot of people they have tummies. The thing is like we have access to junk food, easy access. I believe 4 साल पहले हमारा में था ही नहीं पिज़्ज़ा. Okay, so now we have that. So it's very easily accessible to us. So we are prone to take it. So that's the main thing I believe. Right.
तो एक और हम we are here to break some social issues. What do we consider in Kashmir? Just to search a guy with 16 inches, अगर his muscles are just he is a fit guy. अगर ये ज़ोयल नफर है, मगर ये शक्ल मतलब 8 किलोमीटर रेस करके ये shouldn't fit की. How do you break this social myth?
नहीं, वो actually the thing is fitness is not related. Bodybuilding and fitness are two different things. Okay, a competitive bodybuilder is not fit. Medically he is not fit.
Medically.
No. Okay, you got it. आप जैसे अगर एक बॉडी बिल्डर जो कम्पीट करता है आप उसका मतलब टेस्ट कराओगे, I won't say 100%, but 50% of them are not healthy. Okay, being healthy is something else. Being fit is something. I mean, bodybuilding is something else, and being fit and healthy is something else. These are two separate things. Fitness has nothing to do with bodybuilding. Competitive bodybuilder I say, ठीक है? तो fitness में आपका it's actually 5 components of fitness में. ठीक है, your muscular strength, endurance, okay, your body composition, and your cardiovascular, strength कि मतलब आप कितना मतलब cardio exercise कर सकते हो, ठीक है, and one more thing is your flexibility. So for ये 5 component मिला के we count it as a fit. For example, if I have all the 4 components and I'm not flexible, so I believe that I'm not fit. That's not fitness. So bodybuilding, when we see, it's just one thing, muscular endurance and how much muscles we have. I mean, so that's only one part. If a bodybuilder cannot do a cardio for 30 minutes, he is not fit.
Okay. Sir, एक और चीज़ है कि मतलब हमारे ज़िंदगी में इंटरनेट बहुत है, we acquire most of our knowledge from internet. What do you think that is internet knowledge very beneficial to health?
No. See, not everything written on Google is correct. Okay. See, this is a very very good question. See, Instagram or मतलब YouTube or whatever, इसकी वजह से actually बहुत सारी misinformation है. जैसे आपने मतलब आप जिम आए and you want to follow somebody's diet, ठीक है? Now you feel like you will follow the diet of your favorite bodybuilder. Okay. You actually cannot follow. You should not follow.
You cannot.
You should not.
तुम्हें अपनी body का कुछ पता होना
yes.
चाहिए.
See, the amount of food they take, you cannot take that. If you take that, you will end up being fat. You will not be muscular. They will tell you can take a lot of proteins and all that, but you don't know what kind of drugs they are on. You should not blindly follow those things.
Follow the internet things.
The only thing is like, see, you have to actually
Educate yourself.
And experiment on your own body. See, if I'm taking 2000 calories and 10 days down the line, I'll check myself if I'm gaining weight, I'm losing weight, and then according to my goal, I have to choose that.
Let's talk about women health.
Yes.
कशीर में से सर वारिया सर मतलब ऐसे मतलब आस्पेक्ट का कैसे करना चाहिए?
Yes.
जैसे कि ना कि मतलब ऐसे इन जनचना मोज में हम क्यों तो मतलब हम फिजिकली इनएक्टिव रहता ज़्यादा तरह मतलब डेयर तरह या 5-6 या मतलब बात या कैसे करना ट्यूटी है करना मुश्किल है. Let's talk about this thing कि मतलब इसकी वजह से क्या इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है वुमेन हेल्थ पे? ऑल ओवर इंडिया में
See, we already talked about this. मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला कि 10 साल पहले 15 साल पहले we used work, do any kind of physical work. हम लोग मतलब खेती बाड़ी करते थे. You know, women used to do that stuff. But now they don't. See, now the food comes to the window of your car. Okay, now you don't have to do any kind of physical work to cultivate that. Okay. तो उससे actually देखो, see, personally what I saw is like, see, I have some 25-30 members, ladies in my gym. Okay. 10 में से 7, you know, they come with PCOD problem.
What's that PCOD?
PCOD is, you know, this is a, you know, hormone imbalance. इसमें क्या होता है, you know, जो लड़कियां होती हैं, they have both testosterone and estrogen.
Okay.
Okay, but their estrogen should be actually more. They have more estrogen than the testosterone.
Okay.
Unlike we men, okay, we have more of testosterone than estrogen. Okay, so what happens if it gets imbalanced? Like आपका testosterone estrogen से बढ़ जाता है in case of females. Okay, so उससे क्या होता है, I will tell you, you know, in layman's language, बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम होती है. You will gain weight, पहला चीज है ये, you will gain a lot of weight. और दूसरा साइड इफेक्ट ये होता है कि आपका जो facial hair, like men, you know, they grow the facial hair. And सबसे social problem जो आती है mostly उनको, they don't conceive. उनको conceive करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है.
ये आजकल
And we have this, you know, thing in Kashmir. शादी को 9 महीने हो गए थे, उसके बाद, you know, every neighbor, every auntie expect a kid from you. Okay. So this is the problem they face, and I have a lot of clients here.
और इस वजह से social issues भी होते हैं ना. You can
Exactly. Yes. Yes. They get a lot of problems in their in-laws. जो होती है उनके साइड से, they have problems. Okay. So अगर आप देखो, मैं बोलता हूँ कि अगर ऐसी लेडीज जैसे जिसको मतलब जो बंदी है, जिसका मतलब PCOD है, ठीक है, if she will go to a doctor, मतलब who is actually an honest doctor, ठीक है, जो ये नहीं चाहेगा कि ये लड़की बार बार मेरे क्लिनिक पर आनी चाहिए so that I can actually generate revenue out of it. Okay, वो उसको सिर्फ एक चीज बोलेगी, इसका एक्चुअली इलाज ये है, you have to lose your weight, okay, and you have to, you know, change your lifestyle. उसमें आपका डाइटरी लाइफस्टाइल भी आता है. You have to change your dietary. Okay. Now the thing is like, आप weight loss करोगे, तो करोगे कैसे? You don't have any kind of physical workout outside. You don't do anything, right? So what is the option? You have to go to the gym. Okay. See, now I मेरे gym में, you know, I faced a lot of problems because I think I was the first guy who actually, you know, somebody had to ring the bell. I started the thing that girls should work out. Okay. But I got criticism for that also.
Yes.
Okay, that's you're a pseudo feminist and all that. But I just carried out what I had to do. Okay.
Nice.
So yeah, I think जो अगर मेरी वजह से किसी भी को support हो सकते, help हो सकते उसमें, I'll be very glad.
तो मतलब ये बहुत ही जबरदस्त प्रॉब्लम है मतलब आजकल के मतलब. So you recommend girls that they must exercise if you.
Yes. Not only in gym, they should do any kind of physical workout, and they should actually you know, take care of their diet, what they eat. They should avoid junk food. Junk food is the main problem. Okay, simple sugars. That's the main problem. If they are not able to, you know, alter or maintain their diet, that PCOD, they have to live with that. You know, they cannot cure it. There is no medicine for it.
So, Akhtar bhai, we also heard about that you are going training.
Yes.
People from all over Kashmir.
Yes.
So
I have even clients from Mysore and Bangalore as well.
Okay, that's
Yes.
a very big achievement. for
Yeah.
you. So tell us, मतलब आपने कब से start किया ये सब और basically सब bodybuilding में involved है.
I actually used to do only training, one-to-one training in my club, okay, and my gym है मेरा, ठीक है. Then I started online training from last 2 years, okay, and I do both bodybuilding, fitness, weight loss, transformation जो भी करना हो, I do that, okay. So there's one guy, Mr. Shamim Wasim Ahmed from Sopor, okay. He is my favorite client whom I train, okay. He is very dear to me, okay.
He has competed.
He has competed since 2000, I believe, 2012, okay. But last year he was very well conditioned. I'm training him.
तो भाई any future goals? आपने एक नया जिम भी बनाया है, heard about it.
Yes.
So what's it? Is it any
It's
masterpiece? or
under
something?
process. It's under process.
Okay.
ठीक है. So
What's going to be special about it?
everything, every damn thing. ठीक है, because that is my, you know, dream project, the project of my life. Okay. See, the thing is like it will be a massive gym with all the equipments which you need for bodybuilding, which you for your cardiovascular strength, or even for your functional training. All the three, not just resistance training, functional, cardio, and weight training. All the three, and with a massive space of 3,000 square feet, inshallah. Yes.
Any future goals? What are you looking up to? मतलब आपको क्या achieve करना है आगे मतलब?
See, more than
Almost you have gained fame all over in
yes,
Kashmir.
yes. But more than money, I want to, you know, be, you know, known as one of the best trainers we have. Okay. Yes,
Actually,
that's
you're
actually
like a trainer
yes.
now in Kashmir.
Yes. I want to aware people about everything, whether it's fitness, bodybuilding, or even the drug use they use in bodybuilding. Yes, because I believe there should be concern, because people don't talk about that. I think the real problem starts from that. When people don't talk about that, जो बंदा नया आया है जिम में, they just Google it, they just take it, and they face side effects. But if you aware people about it, with not just you just hide कि नहीं भाई ये use मत करो, okay, or just hide side effects or positive effects. You should talk actually about it. You should talk about it. When you talk about it, then it's up to a client's or a new guy's choice whether you should take it or not. Maybe he would change his mind that he doesn't have to take that. Okay, because I believe that you should be educating people on that as well. So through this video, I want to convey this message to all the trainers out there. कि भाई एक चीज है कि if you want to give that kind of drug PEDs to your athletes, okay, for a competition, make sure that you do all the blood work. Okay, don't play with their lives and keep the dosage minimum.
Guys, thanks for joining us. Thank you, Akhtar bhai, for joining us.
Highly honored.
It was
I'm
really
thankful
nice to
to you
meet again.
people. Yes.
Actually, I want to share a secret that मैंने भी अख्तर भाई के अंडर बहुत ट्रेन किया है, and believe me, आज मैं जो कुछ थोड़ा सा इंसान से ज़्यादा दिखता हूँ, तो उनकी वजह से. अख्तर भाई, once again, thank you. Do follow our video and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. So guys, I hope कि आपको वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ गया होगा. Unfortunately, हम सारे टॉपिक्स तो कवर नहीं कर पाए, लेकिन इंशाल्लाह फ्यूचर में हम और भी ऐसे ब्लॉग्स बनाएंगे जिनमें हम फिटनेस के रिलेटेड और सारे ब्लॉग्स बनाएंगे और आप तक इंफॉर्मेशन और एजुकेशन पहुंचाएंगे. तो आज का वीडियो अगर पसंद आ गया होगा तो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.